Hello everyone, this is Pranav. I'm studying MBBS second year in the Apollo Institute of Medical Science and Research. I got selected in the Yashoda Young Doctors Camp. It was a very good experience being here. We met many doctors here. We also saw many doctor-patient relationships, which is very important for becoming a good doctor. We also learned how does the hospital work and how the staff in it work hard to protect many lives every day. And also we learned about MRI, CT, ultrasound, X-rays. We also got to chance to visit the operation theater where we saw the removal of a tumor, and also we visited the outpatient department and other departments of the hospital. We also learned how to do a CPR and how the biomedical waste generated is disposed of carefully. I would like to recommend this program to those who want to pursue their career in medical field. It's a very good platform for an early exposure into the medical field. I would like to thank Yashoda Hospitals for giving me this opportunity.